There you go. What do you think?
Looks good.
Would you do it to yours?
Honestly, I might. I could.
Black
Because
it
the
out?
flex is all blacked out anyway.
You want to?
Well, not now.
Should we muffler delete yours?
No.
Comment below if you want to see a Ford Flex build.
You know what? You should lift it.
Lift it and put big tires on it? We should. Comment below if you want to see a comment below if you want to see comment below if you want to see a lifted Ford Flex with all-terrain tires and muffler delete. All-wheel drive, 3.5 V6 mom van.
It's not a van. I don't drive a van.
She drives a Ford Flex. Comment below if it's a van. I kind of dig that.
You kind of dig?
No, I really dig that. I mean, it's fake carbon fiber.
They don't even know that.
Well, they're gonna know that that's plastic. They're never gonna know. They're gonna know.